Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that ALTAVA token. Now before start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, ALTAVA is a vertical AI fashion tech company that bridges luxury brands and digital world by enabling the creation and monetization of 3D fashion assets. AI powered fashion tech, its company from the LVMH startup program using AI to generate 3D digital fashion assets. Core platform ALTAVA Boutique, a platform for designs to build, connects, and monetize creations across social media, games, and virtual worlds. Brand Solution provides services for major brands to launch experiences on platforms like Roblox, Fortune, and The Sandbox. ALTAVA project institute rating is 3.3. ALTAVA token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 695.87 million TAVA token. TAVA token is listed on Bitham and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chance is that it is a lazy dog bit project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.